Right, hi guys. So, for those of you that don't know, I was shooting down my club the other day and my HW97K stopped working. So now, it no longer hooks on the sear. So, something in it has jammed, so I thought I'd do a little video just to do an initial strip down to see if I can find anything that's obvious, and then if not, we'll do a more intensive strip down to investigate. So first things first, let's get out the stock. That's relatively simple. I'm just going to undo both sides here. Getting these sorted. Alright, crush washer on both sides. Okay, let's go straight around. Okay. And then should be these under here. Choosing, yeah, that's incredibly loose. Good. This one over here at the back. Okay, that's that. There we go. Right, so that's the trigger guard off. Side screws, and then it should be able to ease this out. Okay. So that's it out of the stock. So let's have a quick look. Now, I cannot see anything specifically in there. The spring looks okay. Okay, so yeah, it's not getting to the point where it catches on the sear. So it's something, looks like in the back here, has either come loose or broken. I can't see anything obvious, so this is gonna require a full strip down. So I'll get cracking on that. Right, so let's have a look at this. First I'm going to just take the scope mount off, which is annoying because it was perfectly zeroed and shooting really well. So I took it to the range the other day. Hadn't been shooting for a good couple of years, and I got back into it about 6 months ago. So I was getting back into the swing of target shooting, 20 meters, just on a sandbag, just for fun. And it was taking me a while to get used to it, but I eventually got it zeroed in. I was hitting some nice balls, lots of nines. It's shooting really well, especially as this is a 2.2. It's not a target gun per se. And then on my last card of the night, I'd hit 8, basically all in the same place, and then 4 flyers, and they were good 3/4 of an inch away from the others. And then the next time it just wouldn't cock, and that was it. And that was all she wrote. So let's have a look at these. So we want to take out, I think, let's have a look at this. Right, so I'm going to just punch out these two. A little bit more. So that, a little bit more, come on. There you go, and that went, then I felt that go. Okay, and then just got to be careful of the safety. Okay, I'm going to take out this one. Same way. Where did I put that? There it is. Okay, just get it down to there. A bit more. Okay, that's that gone. Okay, this should be the trigger box comes out. Yep, there we go. So that's the it's really nice, it's a really neat system actually. So that's the entire trigger mechanism with the sear, trigger and everything there. Okay, now we have to take the back of the spring off. Right, okay. So let's have a look. Yeah. Okay. So that's the next part. Right, okay, so now this bolt's going to come out. Which I feel should have been probably tighter than that. So that might have been working its way loose. Okay. Then we've got to get this out. So, gonna do, just put something like that in there. This, and then we're going to see if we can, there we go. Okay. So, really carefully unscrew this. Nearly done, okay. Okay. There we go. And that. Right, let's have a look now. Da, da, da. Okay, so that's the spring. Now, look at that. Now that is not looking too healthy. Look. Well, that's probably the problem. It's like the guide spring, guide rod has sheared off. Fantastic. Right, well, at least you know what the problem is. So, this is like what's causing the problem. The spring guide has sheared off in half. This is a plastic piece and it's probably just through wear and tear. These things do happen. This has been quite an old rifle now, quite a few years, and it'll just need replacing. These parts are readily available, so I will buy a new one and then do a video of replacing that part and checking it fires and checking it's all still working, and then I'll go through the process of re-zeroing the scope. So join me for the next part of this, which will be, I'd imagine, in a couple of weeks' time once I have ordered the part and it's arrived. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Just gone over 200 viewers, and I really appreciate it. So anyone you think might be interested, please share these videos, get them to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with all things air-powered reviews. Thank you very much.